A 3-bedroom end-of-terrace house located in Nunhead SE15 within proximity of 3 train stations and several OFSTED-rated outstanding schools. Offering over 1,000 square feet of living space, the property has potential to extend. With accommodation comprising an open-plan reception room leading to a kitchen diner, which is smartly appointed and with additional space in a utility room. A stylish conservatory offers further versatility and has French doors opening to the rear garden. On the first floor, there are 3 bedrooms, and a loft offers further development potential, subject to permission. The house bathroom has a 3-piece suite, and there is the convenience of an additional separate WC. Situated in a small terrace of only 3 houses, the property has gardens to the front and rear with side access, and is situated in a location becoming increasingly popular, which is likely due to the transport links, highly rated schools, and the ambience of Nunhead Village.